Welcome, my name is John Hyman. I'm from Commercial Real Estate Online. This is another video for commercial real estate agents and brokers around the world, a training and coaching video. If you haven't checked out our website, please do, which is commercial-realestate-training.com. At that website you'll get plenty of tips, tools and ideas relating to commercial real estate brokerage, be it with office, industrial or retail property. So in this video today, I'm going to cover off on one particular topic, that is, what makes your commercial real estate agency relevant to the client? It's a good question. It's very important. If you want to get anywhere in your market, you need to have an answer to that question. So, if you are meeting with a client today, with a commercial real estate client, and they asked you a question as to why they should use your services or why they should use your agency services, what would you say? Most agents and salespeople will give a fairly generic and bland answer when it comes to that question. What would you say? Well, you need to be very specific. You need to be real. You need to give good answers. This then says that most agents and brokers are far too ordinary in answering these questions. The typical answers given to those probing questions by the client are these. We have been in the area for a long time. We know the local property market. We have the best people to serve you. We have done all of the deals locally. We understand how to drive the inquiry. We have the best marketing campaign available. We have the market share. We know exactly what you need. We know how to market your property. I bet you've heard these statements many different times in different situations with clients, perhaps with your peers, with your competitors even. Some of these answers are just far too common in the industry, and they do nothing to give the client confidence when it comes to listing their property with a particular agent or broker. These are generic statements. That is the problem. Whilst all of these things may seem logical to you, from a marketing perspective, they are generic and bland. They simply do nothing to help you convert the listing, and they certainly do not attract the attention of the client in any significant way. They are generally a waste of time. Those statements should be avoided. Be specific, be real, be deep. Give some answers to the client when it comes to their question as to why they should use you, and make sure those answers are very deep and real. So let's look at every agent situation. Just about every agent in your town or city will say the same thing when it comes to those clients' questions. So you must be far more specific when it comes to answering the question. Provide evidence, proof, confidence, information, knowledge to show that you are relevant and special when it comes to the property market. Why are you so different, and why should the client use you? Prove it. Real facts are required. Those facts can be charts, graphs, photographs, something the client can hold and look through, to browse through, to talk about, statistics, the things that are relevant to the location, the listing, the client, and their current situation. So how do you solve this? There is a simple way to handle the issue and the problem. You must take any of the statements that I've mentioned and use them in such a way where you can go down deeper and give a better response to the client. Go deeper on the generic and bland statements. Go deeper. Be very deep in the answer. An example. If you have told the client that you have done most of the local property deals, you need to show them those deals and give them the information of how relevant those transactions are to them in today's terms, with their property, their location, their precinct. Show them how your experience in the area with the listings that you've been involved with and the prices and the deals, the transactions, the negotiations, all of those things are very relevant to the client with their challenge right now. So I go back to the point that relevance is everything. Everything you say should be turned into a relevant issue to the client, their listing, with specific strengths that relate back to your business. That's why the generic statement should be taken to at least 2 deeper levels of specific information. Give that client the information that supports your claim and tie it to the property listing, the market that they have before them today, the market that's around you, the market that you know a lot about. Let's go a bit further. Let's look at the local area. If you have been an agent in the local area for quite some time, tell the client what you have done over the recent months, perhaps over the last year when it comes to the particular type of property listing and the location and the precinct. Talk about controlled listings in the market share today. Talk to them about how exclusive listings are so important. Give them the information that provides proof as to what you're talking about, and show them the benefit of using you as the real estate agent. Be very, very specific. So the generic approach simply doesn't work when it comes to commercial and retail property today. Be specific in every respect. If you believe that you have the best people or the solutions to serve the client, show them why that is the case, and tell them who you are going to work with within your team to bring the best strategies and ideas to the client with their challenge. Give them a solid set of recommendations and resumes of experience when it comes to the particular property listing. In only this way can you capture the client's attention and interest. So I've mentioned a number of things here. If you would like to read this transcript, you can do so at the website, and the website article location is on the screen at the moment. So what we're talking about there are the particular issues of relevance and importance to commercial real estate clients today, and how you can convert more listings accordingly. So my name is John Hyman. Thanks for listening to the video, and you can check out other ideas relating to commercial real estate brokerage, be it sales, leasing or property management. The website is commercial-realestate-training.com. This is John Hyman signing off for now. Catch you again very soon.